Chapter 8. Let's learn coding in Scratch. Topics covered. Make the sprite dance in Scratch 3.12. Make the sprite speak something. Changing the color of sprite. Adding more characters on the stage. Scratch is a programming tool that can be used by students, teachers, scholars and parents for science and maths projects, presentations, simulation, experiments, etc. Scratch is a program used to create interactive stories, animations, games, etc. It helps us to learn and think creatively, systematically as well as work collaboratively. Scratch is a block-based visual programming language. This program is developed by the Media Lab, and it is provided free of cost. Cyber tidbits. We are using Scratch 3.12. You can download Scratch 3.12 from this link, https://scratch.mit.edu/download. To open Scratch, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click Start button. Step 2. Scroll the menu and select Scratch 3. The following window will appear on the computer. Now, let's learn about the different parts of Scratch window. There are 4 main elements in the Scratch window. 1. Stage. It is place where all the action takes place. We can add different backgrounds on the stage. 2. Sprite. It is a character on the stage that performs all the actions. We can add as many characters as we like on the stage. 3. Script. It is the place where all the programming is done with the help of the programming blocks. To program a sprite, we need to click and drag the programming blocks in the script area. Cyber tidbits. Pac-Man game was very popular in the 1980s and 90s and is still played worldwide. By playing it perfectly, without losing any life, and completing all 255 levels, one can achieve 33,33,360 points. 4. Programming palette. It is the area where all the programming blocks are available. These programming blocks are divided into different sections such as motions, looks, sound, etc. Now, as we are known to the different parts of Scratch, we can start coding. Test your progress. Label the parts of the Scratch 3.12 window. Project. Make the sprite dance in Scratch 3.12. Now, let us create a program to make the sprite dance in Scratch. We will use looks, motion, control and sound blocks to complete this project. Step 1. Drag the move block from motion section into the programming area. Step 2. Drag play drum block from music section, and click the drop-down arrow on play drum block and choose any one drum sound. The motion block category is in cyan, light blue color. It contains different blocks to make the sprite move, turn, go to, etc. To open the music block category, click on the button on the down left corner of the Scratch window and select music from the options available. Now, the cat will move and play the drum, but it plays the drum once. Don't you want to make it move and play the drum continuously? Repeat block. It helps to repeat the block's coding again and again. This block is available in the control block category. It is in orange color. Step 3. Click the control block category. Step 4. Drag out a repeat block and drop it on top of the stack. The mouth of the repeat should wrap around the other blocks. Now, make the sprite speak something. To make the sprite to say anything on the stage, we use say block. It helps the sprite to say anything in callouts. This block is available in the looks category. It is in blue color. Step 5. Click the looks script. Step 6. Drag out a say block and change the text. Drag it at the top of the stack. Wherever you click the green flag, your script will start. This block is available in event block category. This is yellow in color. To stop, click the stop button. Step 7. Click on the event scripts. Step 8. drag a green flag block and snap it on top. Let us change the color of the cat alternately when it is being animated. Step 9. Click on the Looks block category. Step 10. Drag out a change effect by block. To control changing of color of the cat with the press of any key on keyboard, you can drag the When Key Pressed block from the Events category. Step 11. Click on the Events category. Step 12. Drag the When Key Pressed block and snap it above Change Color Effect by block. Step 13. Click the drop-down arrow on When Key Pressed block and select any key of your choice. We can also add a backdrop to the stage. To change the background, we have to click on the Background button on the right down corner of the window. Step 14. Click Choose a Backdrop to choose a new backdrop from the library. Step 15. Select any backdrop and click on it. Let's add more character on the stage. We can add a number of characters on the stage. To add more character, click on the Choose a Sprite button on the right down corner of the stage. New sprite buttons are: Choose a sprite, paint your own sprite, upload your own image or sprite, surprise. Step 16. Click the Choose a Sprite button. The background appears on the stage. Step 17. Choose your favorite sprite. Let's animate the new sprite by switching between costumes. So, let us create a programming script for the new sprite. Step 18. Drag the green flag block from the Events category. Step 19. Drag the Forever block from the Control category. Step 20. Drag the Play Sound block from Sound category. Step 21. Drag Next Costume block from the Looks category. Also add a Wait Seconds block from the Control category. Cyber Tidbits. Wait block helps to see the change in the costume, otherwise the change is so fast that you won't be able to see the changes, and it won't look like animated. Did you enjoy the dance? So, now you should save your project for the future and you also share it with your friends or online community of Scratch. Step 22. Click on green flag to run the program. Step 23. Select Save to your computer from the File menu. Step 24. Type the name and click Save.